Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this video, let us discuss about one more Python data type called dictionary. Let me create a Python file named dictionary. So, Python file dictionary. Let us say part 1. So, I have created a Python file. Let us start discussion about the dictionary. Our agenda is to understand what is dictionary in Python, how to create a dictionary, and use of type method on dictionary and use of length method on dictionary, and accessing dictionary items or key value pairs. So firstly, let us understand what is dictionary. Dictionary is a collection data type with key value pairs. Duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate keys are not allowed in dictionary, and items can be duplicate. Value can be duplicate, but keys cannot be duplicate. And dictionary is ordered. Dictionary is ordered. It means items will be displayed in the same order which is being given. So creating a dictionary. For creating a dictionary, we will use two curly brackets with dictionary. Let us say d1 equal to, here we will specify key value pair, and type method is used to find data type. Length method is used for find the length of the dictionary, means number of key value pairs. And accessing the dictionary, we can use key to access dictionary items. So let us understand each of these one by one. Firstly, let us understand create dictionary. Let me create a dictionary. Let me create dictionary. Let me create a sample dictionary. D1 is equal to, let me say, name Raj, email let us say abc@gmail.com, and phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so something like this. So this is a sample dictionary we created. We can print this dictionary. We will print up d1, and print the items. Right click and run the dictionary 1, and it will print the items in the same order which is been specified here. So if I want to find the data type of the dictionary, then I can specify print type of d1. It will be displayed as a dictionary. It is a class or an object. It is a dictionary data type, DICT. And similarly, we can find the length. If I print length of d1, it will display 3. It will display 3 because this is one pair, this is second pair, and this is a third pair. So length is displayed as 3. So now we have understood what is dictionary, how to create a dictionary, and how to find the type, and how to find the length. And now let us understand how to access the dictionary values. Accessing dictionary. I can say print d1 of name. If I print d1 of name, then it should display Raj, name will be displayed. Similarly, I can print D1 of email. It will display value of the email. If we said similarly, I can print D1 of phone. It will display value of the phone. So like this we can access values one by one. We can also use a method called method get. So let us say d1 dot get of what is the key name. If I give a name here, it will store in, let us say, x equal to, and if I print this x, it will display the name Raj. Or let me try directly printing this. It should be possible. Print d1 dot get. Let me try for another. Print d1 dot get of phone. Let me print the phone number here. You can close. So here phone is get printed. You can directly print, or get method. We can use the get method to get the value based on the key. We get the value here. We get value based on key. Here also we get the value based on key, but the syntax is different. Here we don't use any method. We will use this indexing using key. Here we will use key as a parameter to get method, and we can also get all keys as a list. For example, list L1 is equal to d1 dot get keys. For example, list L1 is equal to d1 dot keys. It will return the all the keys in a list as a list. So if I print L1, it will be list of keys. All the keys. Similarly, to get the values as a list, we can say L2 list equal to d1 dot values. d1 dot values. It will give the all the values of a dictionary as a list. Print L2, then it will give all the values. See here, all the values Raj abc@gmail.com as, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 this is the phone number. So here we have got all the keys. So we can get all the keys as a list. We can also get all the values as a list using keys and values method. We can also get key value pair as a list of tuples. We can also get a key value pairs. We can get both key and value. For example, L3 is equal to d1 dot items. It will give a key value pair. Print of L3. If I print L3, we can see here it is giving a key value pair. Name Raj, email abc@gmail.com, phone 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is giving a list which contains a tuple. It is a list of tuples. It will give a as a list of tuples. So this one. And we can also use in and not in operators to find particular key is present or not. For example, if I say print name in D1, it will print true because name key name is present here, so it will print true. If I right click and run, it print true. Say if I say print say address in D1, it will print false because the key is not present with name as address. Here address is not present, only name, email and phone are present, so it will return false. It will return false. Similarly, we can also use not in operator. Print say name not in D1, it will print false because name is present in D1. Similarly, address not in D1, it will print true. Address not in D1, it will print true because address is not present in dictionary. So see here, so it is true and false, it's again false and true. So in this way we can use in and not in operators as well. So here we have understood what is dictionary. Dictionary is a collection data type with key value pairs. Duplicate keys are not allowed, values can be duplicate, and it is an ordered collection. We can access the values of a dictionary using key, and we create a dictionary using key value pair within the curly braces. We can use the type method to find the data type of a dictionary. We can use the length method to find the number of key value pairs in the dictionary. We can access the dictionary using various ways, using indexing using the square bracket, using the indexing method, and we use a key as an index, and here we can use a get method. We pass a key to the get method, it will give a corresponding value. We can also get all the keys of a dictionary as a list using keys method, and we can also get all the values in a dictionary as a list using values method. We can get both keys and values in a dictionary as a list of tuples using items method. And we finally discuss in and not in operator to check whether a particular key is present in a dictionary or not. So these are the things we have discussed. If you have any clarifications or any feedback regarding this, please update in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.